YouTube channel. Today, I thank all the people who have subscribed to my channel and to those who gave feedback to my videos. My videos were created based on what I learned and I play, and also from the other Roblox experts who share their experiences as well. In that note, you can see different YouTubers sharing almost the same idea. So continue watching my video, guys. Let's get started. Today, I'm going to share you how to do scoping scripts on Roblox Studio. So before we begin, make sure to like and subscribe and the notification bell to also you won't miss any of my videos. So let's begin. So scoping is basically it's related to printing, creating a variable, and doing functions. They are related on the scoping. So let's get started. So first, before we start scripting, you must have two tabs open, the Explorer and then the Output. So did you remember my last video about how to do function script on Roblox Studio, right? And in that video, we also opened Explorer and then the Output. We didn't open the properties because we don't even need it. We don't need it yet because we are doing scoping, and scoping is not related to property scripting. So let's get started. So first you have to open the Explorer and then the Output. So Output is basically where you find some printed words. Where you find some printed words or errors in your script. If you have an error in your script, you can check it on the output. And then the Explorer helps you insert some objects on the services. So the server script service is basically where all the scripts are stored. Not just on server script service, but you can also insert a scripts on other services. But you most likely can insert a server script service a script on server script service, because these are where the scripts are stored. And then the workspace, you can also insert a script, but the workspace is different on the server script service. If we try to insert a part, as you can see, we can see it because it is stored on the workspace. But if you put it on server script service, as I was saying, the server script service is basically where all the scripts are stored. So as you can see, we don't see the part on the base plate anymore because it's on the other services. You can only see it on workspace. Okay, right here, this is the part. Okay, let's delete it. So now we're going to start scripting. We're going to insert the script. Just press the plus logo on the workspace or server script service. But I really prefer inserting a script on server script service. Just press the plus logo on server script service. Then you're gonna search script. And yeah, just click on script, and you will find yourself right here. It looks like a notepad, but it's a scripting, not a notepad. So we also have a print hello world right here, and let's delete it right now because we're doing a scoping. So let's do scoping. To do scoping, first you must have a functions. So I'm just gonna create a function. I'm just gonna call it my first function. Then with the open bracket and close bracket. Also, guys, if you are getting confused on the function, make sure to watch my last video about how to create the functions because you might get confused. So function, my first function. So let's just create a variable. I'm just gonna call it local egg. I'm gonna call it egg. Then I'm gonna type 6. Then I'm just gonna create a second variable. I'm just gonna create a second function and a second variable. So I'm just gonna call it my second function. With the open bracket and close bracket. Now local bread is equal to 10. There you go. So we have 10 and then 6. Now we are gonna print these words. So if you try to print bread, and then it should print 10. Okay. How about we print egg and then the bread? So they are the same spelling. Egg, egg, bread, bread. But if you click on run, or you can just oops. So just click on this arrow right here, then click on run, or you can just press F8, and yeah, this is the F8, okay. But instead of saying the numbers, it says nil because the script doesn't recognize it. So I'm just gonna explain this to you what does nil means. So nil means the nil means nihil or nothing. So why does it says nothing? But it's on the my first function. It says it is both didn't print numbers. This variable is called egg. It should print number 6, but it didn't print. It just print nil. But if you print bread, it should print number 10. But instead of that, it printed nil. But why? Because the variable of bread and then the variable of egg is a locally scope. Okay, so locally scope. So that's why it doesn't print. It just print nil instead of getting an error. But if you try to remove the word local on the bread, and it's still a variable even if you remove the word local. If you are getting confused on creating a variable, make sure to watch my video about me creating a variable. So we have bread right here. There's no red line under it because it realizes what bread is, but it's still printed nil and nil. So the first nil is egg. It doesn't recognize it, and then the next nil is bread because it doesn't recognize it. So to make the script recognize the egg and the bread variable, you have to say the functions that you created. So my first function and then my second function. Now you click on run. Then it says here nil. It says nil and then the number 10. So the number 10 is this bread right here because 10. It's now globally scoped, not globally. It's now globally scoped, not locally scoped. Yeah, it's globally scoped right now, but this one is locally scoped because we have the word local on it. So did you know that if we try to create a variable, for example, oops. Okay, for example, so I try to create a variable called variable is equal to 7. And if you okay, just wait guys. So if you try to print var, it's called var, right? And then it should print number 7 even if you have the word local on it. But okay, I'm just gonna explain it. Okay, let's just delete this. So if you try to move this egg right here, as you can see, if you click on run, and it should print the number 6 and then the 10, but instead it printed nil and then the number 10 because it doesn't recognize it. But if you stop this, then just put this local egg right here. Just cut it. Now it's outside my first function. Then click on run, and it's printed 6 and then number 10 because the entire script recognizes the variable. So that is why it printed 6 and then the number 10. So if you do this, the bread is locally scoped, and this one should be globally scoped. And just delete the word local on the egg, then click on run, and as you can see, it printed number 6 and then nil because it doesn't recognize the bread because it's locally scoped. But if the local bread is outside my second function, the entire script will know what the bread variable is. It's not locally scoped or globally scoped. All of the entire script knows what the bread variable is. But if you try to insert another script, it doesn't know the bread is because it only knows in one script. So yeah, that is how you do the scoping. So I removed the word local on the variable egg and the variable bread. Now it should print the number 6 and then the number 10 without printing the word nil. So just click on run, and then it says number 6 and then number 10. So that is how you do the scoping on Roblox Studio. So guys, that's it for the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn notification bell to also you won't miss any of my videos. But before I end recording this video, I just wanted to show you that I have a Roblox group right here. Yeah, you can join this Roblox group right now. You can just press join group, and then you will see this. You will see fans, friends, admin, YouTuber, and you can say something whatever you want, how you think about my videos, or maybe other. You can post something to me, and then I will read what you just said on my Roblox group. So make sure to join my Roblox group right now. So guys, that's it for the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn notification bell to also you won't miss any of my videos. And see you.